Tucked into one of North Nanaimo's most walkable neighborhoods, welcome to Songbird Place. This modern one-bedroom plus-den condo blends style, functionality, and location. Enjoy 9-foot ceilings, stainless steel appliances, and an open layout filled with natural light. Relax on your private balcony or explore nearby parks and walking trails. With Nanaimo North Town Centre or a relaxing getaway at Long Lake at your fingertips. All in a professionally managed, pet-friendly building with underground parking and storage. I'm Jeremy Tom, your local island realtor, bringing hearts and homes together. Message me today to book your showing.